everyone. This is Scott from DVC-RENTAL and buyandselldvc.com. Today we are at Animal Kingdom's Jumbo House. This is a Value View studio. This is the least expensive room on Disney property, starting at 8 points per night. So it means renting for under $200 a night. The room sleeps 4 plus an infant. And the reason this is called a Value View is because the only difference between this and the regular rooms is that it is 3 feet shorter than the regular rooms. That's the only difference. A lot less points. This makes these really, really hard to get. Pull-out couch, queen-size bed. Got some nice storage with low wood carvings. 55-inch LED TV. I always love all the details at Animal Kingdom. And every time I say it, I love this mirror. Every single time. And what's nice about this Value View is that we have a Savanna view. 20% of the Value Views have Savanna views, 20% have parking lot views, and the remaining 60% have a pool/garden view. So it's kind of luck what you're gonna get. But again, for under $200 a night, when you rent points with us, you could stay here and possibly have a chance of getting a Savanna view like this. There were giraffes out before, but there's not any at the moment. But again, you've got some nice zebras and other wildebeest and stuff out right now. There's some other like little animals over there. I don't know if those are like a copy or something. Nice big balcony, and these are always really cool. Love the chairs. So let's head back inside. So nice and cool in here. It's hot out there. Just got back from Magic Kingdom, so I'm a little tired at the moment. Nice area to do some work, and we do use that when we're here. But again, really nice room, great theming. And again, Value View, really, really hard to get. You have to pretty much book these out 11 months in advance, or else you're not going to have much of a chance to get them. All of the studios on Disney property come with a nice wet bar area with a microwave, dorm-sized fridge, granite countertops, sink, coffee maker, toaster. And what's nice about Animal Kingdom is you have the dual sinks, granite countertops again, outside of the bathroom, which means that when somebody else in your family is in the bathroom or in the shower, you guys can still be getting ready and brushing your teeth. Very, very helpful, especially when you have teenagers. So while they're slowly getting ready, your day is not stalled. Again, great room. Love Animal Kingdom Jumbo House. And again, for the money, this is the best bang for the buck on property, under $200 a night. And if you want to try to find out how to stay in a room like this, please visit us at DVC-RENTAL.com. Put in the dash to save the cash. Or if you're thinking of becoming a Disney Vacation Club owner, please visit our licensed real estate company, buyandselldvc.com. Thank you very much. Have a great day.